No, the title isn't clickbait. When I recorded this video, this AI anime maker was offering 10,000 free daily credits to create consistent anime videos like this.
I'll beat you. This time, I'll be the champion. This is your 7th World Cup, and you still haven't won a single one. You're too arrogant. I'll prove you wrong. Go ahead. That's what you've said every single time.
You've just won the World Cup at 65 years old. What's your secret?
People think it's talent. The truth is, consistency makes all the difference. And this has been part of my daily routine.
As you can see, the generated anime videos stay remarkably consistent. And the best part? This entire process is done inside a single beginner-friendly AI anime creation platform, PixAI. In this short video, I'll show you how to create an anime video that actually follows your instructions with sound, consistent character designs, and stunning, unique visuals using PixAI's image generation, image editing, and image-to-video features. What's in it for you? Being able to create your own anime videos opens up countless opportunities. You can create YouTube shorts, TikTok videos, game concepts, animated stories, music videos, or even promotional content for your business. Instead of spending weeks animating every frame, AI can handle most of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on your ideas and creativity. Why PixAI? PixAI is an all-in-one AI anime creation platform that brings your entire workflow into one place. It includes Tsubaki 2 for high-quality anime image generation, PixAI Edit Pro for AI-powered image editing, and PixAI V 4.0 Preview for turning images into animated videos up to 15 seconds long with native voice support. You can also browse the community remix section to reuse prompts and settings from other creators. On top of that, PixAI gives you 10,000 free daily credits to explore Tsubaki 2, along with countless other anime models and styles. With over 13 million downloads, around 4 million monthly active users, and the #1 ranking in the graphic and design category on the Japan App Store, it's easy to see why PixAI has become one of the go-to platforms for AI anime creation. If you're new to PixAI, you can use the link in the video description below to claim your free daily credits and follow along with this tutorial. Create images with Tsubaki 2. First, let's create our anime character. From the dashboard, click the Generation menu. With the Generate tab selected, choose Tsubaki 2 from the model list. It's PixAI's latest in-house AI model, designed specifically for high-quality anime image generation. To improve your results, make sure to enable Prompt Helper. It automatically structures your prompt, making it easier to generate better images, especially if you're new to AI prompting. Next, choose a style preset. Tsubaki 2 comes with over 35 one-click style presets, so you can easily experiment with different anime styles without rewriting your prompt every time. For quick drafts, I usually use light mode, but for the final image, I'll switch to standard. If you're a member, there's also ultra mode for even higher quality results. Continue by selecting the aspect ratio, resolution, and LoRa. Then, write or paste your prompt into the prompt box, and finally click Generate to start creating your image. And here's the result from this step. What immediately stands out to me is how well it preserved the small details. The hair ornaments, facial features, and clothing all look clean and well-defined, while the lighting gives the image a polished anime look instead of feeling flat. Tweaking images with PixAI Edit Pro. In case you want to make changes or improve your character, you can easily do it using PixAI Edit Pro from the same tab. First, switch the AI model to PixAI Edit Pro. Then, select the image we created earlier, or upload your own image instead. PixAI Edit Pro supports up to 4 input images, but for this example, I'll only use one. Unlike traditional image editors, You don't need to mask or manually select anything. Just describe the changes you want in plain language. For this example, I want to transform my character into an open-world RPG game screenshot while keeping the same character identity. Next, select the resolution, aspect ratio, and quality, then click Generate. And here's the before and after comparison. Look at how well the character's identity is preserved. The hairstyle, facial features, and overall design are still recognizable, even though the entire scene has changed. Animate the image with PixAI v 4.0 preview. Now comes the most exciting part, turning our images into an animated video. To create a video from your images, simply click the Animate button or open the Video tab, then select PixAI v 4.0 preview, PixAI's latest anime image-to-video model. It uses a semantic reference system, so instead of simply animating the first frame, it understands your character and keeps its identity consistent throughout the animation. Next, choose the video duration and reference mode. For this example, we'll use multi-reference mode. Then click Add Reference and select the images we edited in Part 4. Now write or paste your video prompt. Since we're using multiple reference images, make sure to reference each one by typing the @ symbol followed by the image name. Then clearly describe how each image should be used, such as how the scenes should blend together or transition from one image to another. If you'd like your character to speak, simply choose an audio language. PixAI currently supports English, Japanese, Chinese, and Korean voice generation. Just type a short voice line, and PixAI will automatically generate the voice and synchronize the lip movements. Once everything is ready, click Generate, and here's the result.
What a peaceful place. I wonder what I'll discover next.
As you can see, the character stays consistent from the original image all the way to the final animation. The hairstyle, facial features, and outfit are still recognizable, while the movement feels much more natural. The generated voice is also synchronized automatically, so you don't have to create the voice or lip sync separately. Anime soccer prompts. If you're wondering how the opening scenes were made, here are the exact prompts I used. Feel free to pause the video and take a closer look. If you'd like copy and paste versions of these prompts, just let me know in the comments and I'll share them.
I'll beat you. This time, I'll be the champion. You're too arrogant. I'll prove you wrong. This is your 7th World Cup, and you still haven't won a single one. Go ahead. That's what you've said every single time.
You've just won the World Cup at 65 years old. What's your secret?
People think it's talent. The truth is, consistency makes all the difference. And this has been part of my daily routine.
Now you can see that creating your own anime videos is easier than ever. Whether you're designing original characters, creating animated shorts, or bringing your ideas to life, PixAI gives you everything you need in one place. If you'd like to try the complete PixAI workflow for yourself, you'll find the link in the video description below. If you have any questions about PixAI, or if there's another AI tool you'd like me to review, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check out my channel for more AI tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.